Firmware version 2.3.1.44 landed on my Netgear Orbi last night, bringing with it a decent number of bug fixes and new features, probably the most notable of which is the Netgear Armor security system to make your home internet and all devices connected to it much more secure. So, let's take a quick look. If you've not already got a Netgear Orbi Wi-Fi system, then you're missing out. Click the first link in the video description to check pricing and availability, and click the little I in the top right corner to see my detailed setup review and test. It's an awesome system which blankets your entire house in strong, fast Wi-Fi, so you get no dead spots and the full speed of internet access that you're paying for. So, back to the update. When you open up either the Orbi mobile app or the web interface on desktop, you should see a notice informing you that new firmware is available. If you don't see that, you can go into Advanced Settings and then Administration and then Firmware Update to check. As I said, the standout new feature in this release is the addition of the Netgear Armor security service powered by Bitdefender, which protects your entire home network right at router level. It promises advanced cyber threat protection for your home and all your devices, which certainly doesn't sound like a bad idea, and could be especially helpful for the less tech-savvy users out there. Features include things like blocking fake or malicious websites on your home network, automatically scanning your home network for devices which have issues and vulnerabilities that could cause problems, or just that are using weak or default passwords, as well as ransomware protection and blocking of unauthorized devices trying to access your network. Once the new update is installed, you'll see a new security section on the web interface as well as on the mobile app. For some reason, it seems you can only do this stuff via the app at the moment. Once activated, if you tap the new security icon, you'll be taken to the Armor portal, and once it's had a little while to think about your network, you'll be able to see its assessment of how you're doing, as well as install the Bitdefender client on your various devices like smartphones, tablets and PCs if you want, so you can be protected even when not connected at home. Whilst Armor got itself sorted, I got a barrage of notifications on my phone as it said hello to each and every device on my network for the first time, so thanks for that, Netgear. It's worth noting that the Armor service isn't completely free. You get a 90-day trial after which you have to pay an annual subscription fee, so I'll keep an open mind over the next 3 months to see if I reckon it'll be worth paying. I'd be interested to know your thoughts, so let me know in the comments. Other things new in this update include Netgear encouraging strong admin passwords, which is certainly good practice. Mine is extremely strong, as you'd expect, but it still told me it wasn't. I imagine this is because of being the first time this new process had run, and since passwords clearly aren't stored in a readable format, which is a good thing, it couldn't have assessed it previously. I kept the password I had previously, and it passed the test. Now, I've been using the Orbi for about 4 or 5 months now, and I've had to reboot it due to crashes a few times, maybe 2 or 3, so not awful, but disappointing, and it's certainly been a bit less stable than I'd expected, so I'm hoping the crash on reboot error that's meant to have been fixed will sort that, although my issue did affect wire connections too, so time will tell. It looks like they've also increased the security on the Vpn Certificate as well, which is a good thing, although I've not yet tested that out because I already use VPN to dial into my home network when out and about. I'll be doing a video on the VPN feature soon, so subscribe to the channel to see that. I've put the full details of this firmware update in the video description so you can see all the changes and enhancements. Has it hit your Orbi yet? What do you think? Are you happy with the changes, and are you going to use or even pay for Armor? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you like these videos and like to see more, you can consider supporting on Patreon if you're feeling extra super amazing. There's an unboxing video showing the RBK53 Orbi system with router plus 2 satellites on screen now, as well as a detailed setup, test and review video, so check out those videos if you haven't already. So that's all for this video. I've been Paul FP for Switched On Network, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.